Let's quickly talk about the updates on few arm wrestling matches coming up. First, at King of the Table on December 11th, Brendan Allen vs Larry Wheels and Devon Larratt vs John Brzenk. Both these matches are available now on Armbet and Stake Kings. Larry Wheels vs Brendan Allen. It is a very difficult match for me to predict because I haven't seen many matches of Brendan Allen. But we all kind of know what Larry Wheels' level is because he not only keeps us updated with his arm wrestling lifts but also keeps arm wrestling with pros from different countries, which makes it even easier to track his progress and compare where he stands at different levels. So until I do some research on Brendan Allen, I would personally not be betting on this match. Coming to the second match, the biggest match, Devon Larratt vs John Brzenk. As expected, this match is now a shutout stakes match, which means that Devon needs to make it a clean sweep for people to win the bets placed on him. The rules of shutout stakes in arm wrestling have been changed once over time. Now in a 6-round super match, Devon needs to win only first 4 rounds to secure the win and also the stakes. And then he can do some experimenting in the last 2 rounds if he wants. This match first started as regular stakes. Devon sold out immediately and no one was putting their money on John Brzenk. But Devon still tried to convince them that this should not be a shutout stakes match. But they refunded the money and made it a shutout. I would still be putting up my money on Devon Larratt in this match. Tell me your predictions. Can Devon win first 4 rounds against John? And keep in mind 2 things. That John is still slightly injured in the elbow after his fall-in match, and most probably John Brzenk has also started eating pancakes because he's already over 240 pounds. I was watching Todd Hutchings in a podcast where he mentioned that Travis Bagent is trying to set up Todd Hutchings vs Lachlan Adair super match next year. Todd also commented about this somewhere. There was a beef between these two, and I even uploaded a video about that last year, so please watch that if you are interested in knowing the history. Marcio Barboza vs Wayne Withers. The match is on 11th December, best of 5 right-handed super match. If you mention it in the comments, I will try to do an interview with both of them before their match. So please tell me your predictions, opinions, suggestions and questions about the matches that we discussed today. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.